Okay, using this fundamental theorem of arithmetic, there are a few applications we'll do, few problems we'll do, and using the knowledge what we have gained just now. For example, you have to show this number 6 to the power n. N is some positive integer. It's not fraction, it's a positive integer. You want to know whether whatever may be the value of n, you can start right from 1 and go up to infinity, isn't it? Any number for that matter, it will be ending with 0 or not. 6 to the power 1, 6 to the power 2, 3, 4, till that you can easily do. But if it's going to be 6 to the power 36, how will you know that that ends with 0 or not? So there must be some way of learning it, isn't it? So let us see how I write 6 to the power n. This can be written as, this base can be written as 2 into 3, isn't it? To the power n, and this again can be written as, using the law of exponents, 2 to the power n into 3 to the power n. So 6 to the power n can be written only as 2 to the power n and 3 to the power multiplied by 3 to the power n. See the factors. You have one factor as 2, you have one factor as 3. So these are the only two factors for 6 to the power n. If I say the number is going to end with 0, any number that ends with 0 surely is divisible by 5. Think of any number that ends with 0, 5 is a factor for that, isn't it? Now, if this is going to be 0, ending with 0, I should have got a 5 here as one of the factors. But I am not getting, I cannot use this as multiplying by 5 into something, I cannot do that. So, since 5 is not a factor for 6 to the power n, surely 6 to the power n can never end with 0, whatever may be the value of n. So, for few values we can physically raise to that power and see, but for bigger values of n we cannot do that. But we can use this logic of fundamental theorem of arithmetic, that the base can be written as its prime factors 2 and 3. Since it has got only 2 and 3 as the prime factor, if the number has to end with 0, it must also have a factor of 5, which is absent here. So that shows very clearly that 6 to the power n cannot end with 0 for any value of n.